Hi there! So here are the recently launched OnePlus Buds Pro 3. They're most premium earbuds with Dynaudio EQ. Now as expected, OnePlus goes full throttle with this one. Firstly, you get a new design with a vegan leather finish, not something I've seen before on an earphone case. Really love it. Rest you get all the tamjam. There's adaptive ANC, there's low latency gaming mode, there's dual device connectivity, there's spatial audio, the works. But the price sees a hike. It's now priced at 11,999. Not cheap. And of course, this means you need to be sure before you buy this. Well, that's what I'm here for. Now I've been using these earbuds for over 2 weeks. We also wore them on a flight and tested the ANC. We'll talk about everything in detail so you can decide if these earbuds are worthy an upgrade or not. Let's start with a quick unboxing. So here is the retail packaging. You can see the image of the buds, OnePlus branding. Towards the side you can see it comes with Dynaudio support, manufacturing details and the MRP of 13,999. So without further ado, let's quickly open it up. So right on the top you have the red cable card, then you have the user manual, the earbuds themselves, the much loved OnePlus charging cable, and finally this last box that includes the extra ear tips. We have large, we have small and we have extra small. Medium ones come fixed on the earbuds. Alright, let's have a closer look at the buds. First we'll get rid of the protection. Wow, this looks absolutely amazing. Firstly, that vegan leather texture finish looks so nice, very soft to touch. And right on the top you can see the OnePlus branding. It's also really compact and light, easily fits in your palm. Moving towards the back, you can see it says co-created with Dynaudio. There's a logo here. Towards the bottom is the USB-C charging cable. And you can flip open the top with just one hand, which I always find very handy. Check that out. Inside you can spot 2 earbuds. Let's remove them and check it out. And finally, here are the buds itself. Now this is a stem and a buds design, very premium looking design. You have the matte finish on the top and you have the glossy finish here. If you look closely, you can also spot the microphones on the side here, which look really cool. Also worth noticing, you can spot the L branding here and R branding here, which is for the left and right ear. Very well built earbuds. The earbuds come with IP50 rating, so mild splashes and sweat should be fine. But remember, the case doesn't, so keep that dry and safe. We also get Bluetooth 5.4, so longer battery life along with stable connectivity. When it comes to codec support, we get SPC, we get AAC, and we also get LHDC, which technically is very similar to LDAC. Both are low latency audio codecs for better audio fidelity. More on the experience later. Then we also get Google Fast Pairing. Simply open the lid and you'll see a pairing pop up on your Android phone. Click to pair. Once done, download the Hey Melody app and the Buds Pro 3 should show up. Click and you're done. More about the app later. Coming to the fit and comfort. Well, I'm currently wearing both and I can tell you that they snug in really nicely, blocking most of the passive sound. Make sure you attach the right size of ear tips for better seal, which eventually leads to better sound quality. In fact, make sure you even run the fit test from the app. It will analyze it by running some music in the background and will give you the results. There you go, perfect fit. Then we tried shaking our head. As you can see, it gave me a head rush, but still the earbuds didn't fall off. Let's talk about the sound. But first you need to know that these come with dual drivers in each earbud, 11mm woofer and 6mm tweeters. Now what this essentially does is that sound separation for better audio fidelity. Exactly like your home theater system where there are different speakers for highs and vocals and there is a separate subwoofer for bass. Coming back to the sound, first it would be drastically dependent on what sound profile you choose. Let's talk about the balanced mode. Now it's kind of self-explanatory. It's very well balanced, incredible clarity, good highs and very good bass, just the way I like it. The bass is deep, but it doesn't give you that punchy migraine. It's like that soft pillow where your head sinks in. Absolutely love it. However, if you like more bass, you can turn on the bass wave option from the app and adjust the bass as per your preference. So cool. Then we move to bold. Now this is like all instruments are enhanced. Perfect while listening to jazz music. Then switching to serenade mode, well this is where the vocals and highs are enhanced. Ideal while listening to classical music and podcasts. Then bass mode. Obviously, it adds more depth to the audio. Not my personal favorite, but I know there are a lot of people who really like it. It gives that super deep, punchy bass while still maintaining most of the audio really well. Then Dynaudio EQ. Now this is like balanced mode but on steroids. The volume increases and you can hear more detail. It's the most different and the most polarizing one because you can either love it or probably not like it at all. Either way, it's really good. Let's talk about ANC. So it comes with 50 decibels adaptive noise cancellation, and the best place to test that was on a noisy place like an airport. It was able to cancel out all the white noise and at the same time provide crystal clear audio clarity. We obviously also had to test it on a flight, and we first turned on ANC from the app. Here you can manually set the level of ANC, max, moderate and mild, but my favorite is the smart mode, where it analyzes the noise around you and accordingly adjusts the intensity. Isn't that cool? Now, how was the experience? Well, the earbuds almost cancelled out 80 to 90% of the engine sound and the flight announcements. All you hear is crystal clear music with no disturbance from the outside world. There was a slight vacuum effect, but very soon the ears adapted and there was no discomfort at all. My favorite thing is to wear these earbuds on a flight, turn on ANC and sleep with no disturbance. It's just perfect. Also, you can enable transparency mode, which enhances the outside sound and you can be more aware of your surroundings. You can even kind of hear the other person talk and have a conversation while wearing these earbuds. Works really well. Alright, we also tested these for phone calls. Time for a quick demo. So the audio you're hearing right now is being recorded from the mics of the OnePlus Buds 3 Pro 3, sorry. And this is how you would sound to the other person when you're on a call. Each earbud comes with 3 microphones, which cancels out all the external noise, making it ideal for phone calls indoors as well as outdoors. However, you guys are the best judge. Write down in the comments and share your feedback. Then instead of tap gestures, you actually get the squeeze gesture, which will help you change tracks, toggle ANC, transparency mode, answer reject calls, and yes, you can custom set each gesture of each earbud separately as per your preference from the companion app. My favorite feature has to be adjusting the volume by swiping on the stem. I find this very handy. You don't need to reach out to your phone anymore to adjust the volume. Also, pinch gestures can get confusing. Now you're just swiping on the stem to change the volume. Good job by OnePlus. By the way, these also come with in-ear detection, so music pauses the moment you remove them from your ear and resumes almost instantly when you put them back. Sadly, there's no option to disable this feature, but why would anyone disable this feature? I think it's very helpful. Then we also get dual device connectivity support. So here you can see I've connected 2 phones at the same time. Similarly, you can also connect your laptop or tablet along with your phone. Now, for example, you're watching something on your tablet and you receive a call. The call can be answered from the phone, and once the call ends, the audio from the tablet will resume on the earbuds. It's so cool. Then it also comes with game mode, which you can enable from the app. It drastically reduces latency and you can easily play games without any audio delay. Similarly, while watching movies, there was no delay noticed at all, perfect lip sync, and it's easily recommended to be worn on your long flights for watching movies. Then there's also spatial audio support. When you go to the companion app, you'll see spatial audio. Then the first is fixed spatial, where you can feel that the music is coming from multiple directions. Trust me, turning this on takes the experience to the next level. Further, there's head tracking. This is just insane. Now the audio source moves in the direction you're holding your device. It kind of tracks your head. So if you move your head, the audio source will move accordingly. It actually mimics a very similar theater experience where the audio is coming from different directions. It's lovely. However, I'd like to add that spatial audio isn't for everyone. It adds a new dimension to the audio, but it's not something you can hear all day. Something you must check out. Let's have a quick look at the Hey Melody companion app. So right here, first you can see the battery percentage of the case as well as of the each earbuds. Then you can toggle on noise cancellation, and of course you can change the intensity of the noise cancellation as well. Then you can turn it off. You can come to transparency mode. Then of course you can also adjust the equalizers. You have a couple of preset equalizers. You can change the bass. You can custom set an equalizer as well. Then you have the golden sound feature where it runs a couple of tests and sets the equalizer as per your hearing experience. Then you can turn on spatial audio. Then there's game mode, dual device connectivity, earbuds fit test, find my earbuds, firmware update, and of course you can also set the gestures of each earbuds using this option here. It's very simple and easy to use interface. Coming to the battery. So the case comes with a huge 566 mAh battery, while each earbud comes with a 58 mAh battery. You get about 7 to 8 hours of music playback without ANC, with ANC about 5 to 6 hours, and with the case in total you'll get about 43 hours. That's what OnePlus claims. But in real world scenario, you get about 35 to 38 hours, which I still think is really good. The case also supports wireless charging, which is always a plus. It takes about 2.5 hours to fully charge, which ain't exactly fast, but wired charging on the other hand can be done in just about 70 minutes. Very impressive. Alright, final thoughts. So, the OnePlus Buds Pro 3 are priced at $11,999 and might seem pricey, but it actually provides a very premium sound signature. One of the most comfortable earbuds, they provide a really good fit and almost every feature in the book that you could have asked for. In my perspective, it's worth every penny. Hear it to believe it. Yes, it would have been great if it was priced at $9,999, but sadly it ain't. But if you still think they're too pricey, then you can definitely check out the OnePlus Nord Buds 3 Pro. They are also definitely worth considering for $3,299. I've reviewed them earlier. I'll share the link of that video as well as the links for that earbuds as well as the Buds 3 Pro in the description. If you'd like to buy either of them, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.